Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs at the YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do important current affairs MCQs from 19th January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. Please watch till the end, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So coming to today's first question, the Indian Navy's first training squadron arrived at which naval base in January 2026? Option B, Changi Naval Base, Singapore. Which ships are part of Indian Navy's first training squadron? Option B, that is INS Tir, INS Shardul, INS Sujata and ICGS Sarathi. The year 2026 is celebrated as which special year? Option C, Asian India Year of Maritime Cooperation. Indian Ocean Naval Symposium mainly relates to? That is Maritime Security Cooperation. ICGS Sankalp, that is Indian Coast Guard ship Sankalp, is which type of ship? It is an offshore patrol vessel. ICGS Sankalp made a port call at which country in January 2026? Option A, it is Mauritius. After Mauritius, ICGS Sankalp will sail to which country? Option C, Seychelles. Which naval exercise is regularly conducted by India, Brazil and South Africa? Option C, IBSAMAR, that is India, Brazil, South Africa Maritime Exercise. Second range-wide dolphin estimation was launched from which place? Option B, Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh. Which institution coordinates the dolphin survey? That is Wildlife Institute of India. Which technology is used for underwater dolphin monitoring? Option A, hydrophones. Which new dolphin species is included in the second survey? Option B, that is Irrawaddy dolphin. Highest dolphin population in India is found in which river basin? That is Gangetic Basin. India-Japan Joint Working Group announced in 2026 focuses on which area? Option A, that is critical minerals. What is the theme of the Asian India Digital Ministers meeting was? Option C, that is adaptive Asian, from connectivity to connected intelligence. Special Asian, that is India Fund focuses on which sector? So the Special Asian India Fund focuses on digital future. India follows which policy for engagement with Southeast Asia? Option B, that is Act East policy. What is the theme of the second Global Buddhist Summit 2026? So the theme is collective wisdom, united voice, mutual coexistence. Which organization is responsible for organizing the Global Buddhist Summit? That is International Buddhist Confederation, IBC. International Buddhist Confederation functions under which Ministry of India? Option B, that is Ministry of Culture. Wings India 2026, Asia's largest civil aviation event, will be held at which location? So it will be held at Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad. Amrit Bharat Express is best described as? Option C, it is non-AC long-distance sleeper train. NORBU, that is Neural Operator for Responsible Buddhist Understanding, demonstrated during the Global Buddhist Summit is? Option C, AI language model based on ChatGPT. So this NORBU is the AI language model. NORBU is also known by which name? Option B, that is Kalyan Mitra. So that's it for today, everyone. If you like this video and find informative, please subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. See you in the next video.